Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2006 Toyota Corolla, we're gonna be replacing the valve cover gasket. Let's do it. We'll start by removing our engine cover, 10 millimeter. Set that aside. Remove our ignition coil plugs. Just pinch and pull off. Pull out our ignition coils. We'll remove our electrical harness. It's two 10 millimeter nuts. Pop that up. Set it aside. Take our ignition coils, wiggle them and pull them off. Now would be a good time to change your spark plugs if you need it. Let's pull off our hoses. Just pinch and pull this. There we go. Same back here, pinch and pull. The harness can move out of the way a little more. We'll disconnect this big harness. There's a 10 millimeter nut here. This one we're gonna keep the bracket, but we're gonna pull the harness off the bracket. Once I get it off, I'll show you how to do that. There we go. Let me zoom you in a little. So this retainer, just flip it over and I can show you on the bottom, there's this tiny little tab here that you pull out on, just like that. And that releases it from our bracket and then we just slide it off. It's that easy. That's it. Everything else are perimeter bolts and then two in the middle, 10 millimeter. Oh, I lied. There is one more bracket right here for this harness. Just this little nut. Pull this little bracket up. There we go. And they threw in one 12 millimeter. All right, this should lift right off. If you need to, you could tap it with a rubber mallet to break it free. There we go. Okay, let's pull it up. Move stuff out of the way as you need to. There. Now for prepping the head, we're gonna take a clean rag and just wipe around the whole perimeter. Just get it good and clean, wipe off any grit, any old oil. We'll do that all the way around. Now we're gonna take a fresh rag, put some brake clean on it. And then right where the timing cover and the head meet, there's that little seam. We're gonna get that nice and oil-free. We're gonna put RTV right there. Now for our valve cover, we're just gonna take off the old gasket. You can use a pick just like this. We're just gonna pick it out of the channel. Just pull it away, nice and easy. Ooh, this one's pretty stuck, but just pull it away best you can. Just pick it and pull. That's the ticket. Get it all the way off. There we go. Now we're just gonna clean out the channel. You can use some brake clean, you can use an air hose, or just wipe it with a rag. Once that's done, we'll put our valve cover gasket on. Just lay it right in the channel. It goes on just one way, nice and easy. Just squish it in, line it up, and that's pretty good. We're gonna take some brake clean. Right where the valve cover gasket is gonna hit that RTV on the head side, we wanna make sure that is nice and oil-free. All right, now we'll just put a little dab, about a pea size is all you need, just on that crease. Nice. Put our valve cover on, just set it in like that. Make sure nothing's pinched underneath it, no wires, any hoses. Make sure it's sitting nice and flush. Nice, now we'll drop our bolts in. Just get them hand started at first. We got our little bracket over here we'll put in. Suck them down. Now we'll torque them. We'll put our bracket over here back on. We have our ignition coils, put those in. Put those bolts in. We'll plug our electrical connectors in. We got our harness retainer, put those bolts in just snug. Plug our hose in over here. Plug this all back in here. I think that is it. Hey, looking good. Put our cover. And we're done. All right, there you go. That's how you can place the valve cover gasket on your Toyota Corolla. All in all, not too bad. Hope your repair goes well. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comments, post down below. See you on the next one.